As general manager, safety is fundamental to what I do. And really that is because you have about 1,300 people working here. And they work in all sorts of conditions. They work 24 hours a day in darkness, in light, in ice, in snow, at the top of mountaintops. And so while mining is a very safe industry, you're also exposed to heavy-duty physics, to large assets. And so out there every day, it's our responsibility to make sure that people are safe.
Pre-connected safety, we had a lot of systems in place that were paper-based. We have multiple individuals and roles in the field having to collect data and report back in multiple different operations in different ways. Now that we're utilizing connected safety, it's going to allow us to collect pertinent and live information in the field to allow us to have a better working knowledge and understanding of the program.
When we first decided to use connected safety and go with it, I started using it myself personally and amongst my team for emergency response equipment. It was pretty simple to set people up. We put in their email like we normally did. They got all the information to set up their accounts. I could build a checklist myself, and that was probably the best part, is that I can change a checklist and press done and everybody has it on their device immediately.
Connected safety has made our lives a lot easier on site. Being able to be a support to the sites and being able to get them on board with doing more safety inspections in the field and being able to do them a lot quicker with not having stacks of paperwork. And we're getting, sometimes 30, 40 inspections coming in a day, whereas before we were lucky to get 3 or 4.
Ultimately, what it's going to do is start to provide us with some leading indicators, getting in front of issues before they arise. So it's a big part of moving our safety culture in the right direction.
And in the future, with that data, you get predictive safety with it. We got the chance to predict where our incidents are going to happen and stop them before they happen.
And so I think of it like this. You've taken a tool and been able to deploy it very simply on people's phones so everyone can have it. It's easy to use. You bring it out in the field and it's right there. It forms the basis of a conversation. So no matter who's using it, whether it's somebody in safety, a supervisor, 2 workers at the time, they can sit down and actually work through that audit form. It completes very easily, and what's more, it's trackable when it's finished.